Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lanky Trader. So I'm gonna run you guys through all the trades I took this week. This is our Monday setup here. This is our opening range candle. We mark out the high and the low. We had a break above. We entered for our buy. Stops at the low. Our target is a 1 to 2. And you guys can see we hit our take profit nicely right here. Then this is our Tuesday setup. This is our opening range candle. We mark out the high and the low. We had the break above. I entered for our buy. Stops at the low. My target was a 1 to 2, but it did not hit my take profit and I did not break even. Actually, I was busy doing something else and I didn't break even. And so the thing eventually hit my stop loss. So that's how our Tuesday's trade went. So I wasn't able to enter Wednesday's trade. Even same thing with Thursday. I was busy too on Thursday. I wasn't able to enter it. I think I saw it after it broke, it reached this level. So I was like, okay, if the market comes back down, I went down the retest, but it never came down. But let me just walk you guys through the setups. So this is our opening range candle, mark at the high and low. We had a break above initially, but it didn't take out this high here. It didn't take out this high, or didn't take out this high. Then we had a break below. It took out this low, but you can see that it just was basically manipulating. It came back up, then it came back down. So there was no direction on Wednesday. So that's our Wednesday setup. Then our Thursday setup. These are opening range candle here. Mark out the high and the low. We had a break below, but you can see we didn't take out any significant low, but we took out a significant high here. So we are waiting for price to come back for a retest, but it never came back for the retest. It just went straight to the take profit. So that's our Thursday setup. So our Friday setup was a tricky one. I was on the charts on Friday, but I didn't enter this trade. Why? Because our opening range was too large. Like the opening range candle was too large. So normally my strategy says I put my stop loss below our low, but look at the low. The low is too big, and my target is normally liquidity. You get like previous week high, previous day high, previous week low, previous day low, like things like that. You get. And if I was going to put my stop loss here, then my take profit would be above the previous week high, and 9 times out of 10 market always rejects from the previous week high. So it's like on few occasions where it will actually break the previous week high, retest, then continue buying, but most times it will reject, then go back to the opening range. So I didn't want to. I basically stayed out of the market. Basically, this week I only took one trade, and the trade I took was on Monday. I didn't Monday and Tuesday. That's 2 trades. I didn't take Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So and I can't put my stop loss below this previous day high. I can't put my stop loss there because it's a zone that tracks price. So you see my dilemma. So I couldn't enter Friday's trade. So I just had to leave it open. The chances of this trade hitting take profit is very slim because of how I told you guys in the past that when the opening range candle is too large, those kind of large opening ranges, the chances of those trades hitting a 1 to 2 is very slim. So you just avoid all those type of trades. So this is an example here. So basically I avoided this trade. So that's how all our trades went this week. So I'll post the P&L to the left of the screen so you can see how we did this week. We made about, I think, $3,000. Then we made about $4,000. Then we now lost on Tuesday like about $800. So basically what we made today is 2,000 something. So I'll put it on the left on the right of the screen so you guys can see. So if you guys like content like this, please share, like, subscribe, click that bell icon so that the YouTube algorithm can push my content to more people. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.